Hello, in this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF to an Excel. So it's a very easy process. What you have to do is firstly make sure that your PDF is completely ready and it is arranged in a proper format, as you can see right over here. Now, once everything's done, what you have to do is just simply right-click on your desktop and then go to the New option and just open Microsoft Word right over here. Now open Microsoft Word. Then inside Microsoft Word, the first thing that you have to do is go to the File section right over here. Then click on Open and just simply browse this particular PDF that you have created. So currently it is on my desktop, so I will just simply find that and then click on Open. Now wait for a few seconds and you will see this pop up. So over here, it will ask you that do you want to convert this PDF into a Word document or not? Just simply click on OK. Now, the moment you will click on OK, the entire PDF will be transferred over here as a Word document. Now, the next step that you have to do is you have to open the Excel sheet wherever you want this particular PDF. Is the Excel where I want? Now, once your blank sheet will appear, go to the Word document and copy the entire data like this, or you can even press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then Ctrl+C, that will copy everything after that. Go to the Excel. Choose the second block or the first block depending on how you want to format it. Then just simply click on Paste. That should paste all the data right over here. Now all you have to do is just arrange it properly. If any data is remaining, just simply again copy and paste the remaining data. Just like this. Just simply click on Paste again. And the remaining data should also appear, as you can see right over here. Now all you have to do is just simply align everything properly. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.